Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make some homemade caramel sauce. It's very easy ingredients, only 3 ingredients, and I'm sure anybody can do it at home and enjoy it in your favorite drinks, desserts, toppings, whichever you want with that. All right, so here's in the pot I have just plain sugar, nothing else, so we're gonna do that. Then I have already cubed butter and heavy whipped cream. So that's it. So this just 3 ingredients. I'm gonna leave the full recipe in the description box below so you can see exact the proportions. But the main trick here, just don't burn the sugar because then it will taste a little bitter. But other than that, that's it. So here's just, like I said, regular, just plain sugar, and we're gonna slowly melt it and turn it into amber, light amber color. So just hit. I'm not gonna cut this video so you can see exactly how long it took for it to do the thing. All right, so just make sure you don't get too much sugar on the edges of your saucepan, because then it will burn on the side. So just make sure you keep that down. All right, so just keep mixing. Like that. Until you will see all of a sudden the sugar will start to get clumpy. So then we can say the process has started. All right, so of course right now there's nothing, just regular sugar. This pot particular I'm using as a hex cloud. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box, you can check it out. It is expensive, but we had it over a year now. We had some a few pans my husband bought me for Christmas, and this pot sets he got me for birthday last year, and actually I can't speak highly enough of that. Usually the pans that we buy, they kind of gets warped in the middle over a period of time, usually about a couple months, and it's uneven on the bottom, but this guy's so far hanging on strong. You can use metal utensils on it as well, and we're just very happy with this so far. Anyway, but any saucepan will do. Heavy bottom is a plus, so that way it doesn't burn easy on you. All right. All right, here we go. And you can see if I get to the bottom of the pan, it looks wet. So that's the process have begun. There we go. So you can see more clumps. At this point, I'm gonna put the heat on a medium high, because we don't want the sugar to burn before it melted. And continue to mix. There we go. So now it looks more clumps than anything. All right, you see the bottom looks wet, so we are getting what we want. Now this reminds me of like sugared up honey, isn't it? What you guys think? There we go. So just continue to mix. All right, now you can see all the chunks start to melt. The mixture is still pretty chunky. All right, so we're looking, so make sure there is no more lumps. The mixture is nice amber color. All right, so at this point we'll turn off our heat, so we're done with that, and let the mixture sit a little bit, cool off just a bit. All right. Just like that. So now we're gonna add our butter. Mix it until it all incorporates. Just make sure don't splash yourself. And also make sure, see, I'm using the pot much bigger than the mixture I have, just for this reason. So when the mixture bubbles up, it doesn't overflow your pot. All right, so I'm gonna mix it until all butter incorporates. Very nice. Just like that. Now we're gonna add a little bit of cream. And mix it together. Add a little more. Just like that. All right, and now you can add the rest. And mix it all in. All right, so you see our mixture lost all the bubbles. It became smooth again. No lumps. And this is our caramel sauce. See, not much to it. Just be careful when you do it. And now I'm gonna take a plastic container, pour it all in. All right, the pot is clean, nothing stuck. And this is our caramel. Nice caramelly color. So I'm gonna have it cool completely, and then you can use it. You can store it in the fridge for about a month, or you can put it in the freezer. You can divide it in portions if you like, and keep it in the freezer for 2 to 3 months, and it should be fine. All right, let me cool it off, and I'll show you the texture of it. Go. Here's your caramel sauce. Smooth, very nice, very easy to make. So just make sure you don't burn your sugar. All right, guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.